My name is Danielle, and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This is a fun show where we make board game themed pieces and components of some of your favorite games. This week we're going to go into the savory side of baking and make pretzels and beer cheese in honor of Oktoberfest, which is still going on. Except we're going to put a little twist on it. We're going to make a humongous Cthulhu pretzel that you can then break apart to eat with your friends. Cthulhu was originally created by H.P. Lovecraft, but I see him the most in art and horror in our house, but he's in a lot of different games and is a common villain, or bad guy who choose the end of the game. So, we're going to make the Cthulhu pretzel, and we're going to make some tasty beer cheese to go with it, because why would you have pretzels without beer cheese? Let's get started.
To make the dough, you're going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active yeast, 1 cup of water, 1 1/2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter.
To begin, we're going to add our flour, yeast, sugar, salt, butter. Give that a quick mix. You notice I'm using the dough hook attachment. Now I'm going to start to slowly add the water. Now that the dough is coming together, we're going to knead it for 5 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes and our dough is all done. I'm putting it into a container that I prepared by spraying a pan, and I'm going to let it sit there for 40 minutes to an hour until it's all proofed.
To finish off our pretzels, we need 6 cups of water and 1/3 cup of baking soda to give the pretzel their traditional taste. Then you need 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of water, and either coarse salt or pretzel salt to top the pretzels. We're going to add our baking soda to our water and bring it to a boil.
Our dough is done, so let's kind of compile our pretzel components. That's satisfying. I have a knife to cut. We need 2 bigger pieces for the eyes, and then some shorter and longer ones for the tentacles and the head. Let's do it. Okay, we're making our eyes. I want it nice and long because I'm going to double up around each other. I'm going to actually do this one too, just so I can make sure they're about the same length. First thing is going to fold them in half, and there you go. Loop them over each other. And then put together and tuck that underneath this even a circle. Now I'm just going to finish rolling out the rest of my pieces, and then we're going to take them to the stove. Now it's time to start boiling our pretzels. We want them in there for a total of about 15 seconds. I'll start this little one first. I just find it's easier to keep it in there, and I use a ladle to scoop it over. Okay. I'm going to shake it off and transfer it to my sheet. I'm going to do one of the eyes. Okay. As you can see, it's not in there very long. Actually, fine, you can use a spatula to help get off here too. Now we have our Cthulhu form. Don't judge him, he looks a little sad, but he'll look better once he's cooked. I'm going to add the water into the egg. And mix it real quick. Now I'm going to take a brush one. This helps give it that nice golden color. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with pretzel salt. Okay, ready for the oven. Fingers crossed it looks good.
Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown.
Nice and golden brown. I'm going to take it
To
right
make our
off the
delicious
tray.
beer cheese, you're going to use a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 1/2 to 2 cups of beer. Ideally you'd want it to be a dark beer, but I'm using a lager. 1 cup of milk, around 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and 1/2 cup of white cheddar cheese, and a little over 1/2 cup of the mild cheddar cheese. You could use the exact measurements, but I like mine to be extra cheesy.
First step is to turn on the stove.
Now to about medium heat. First step is to add your butter and melt it. Next we're going to add our flour and mix together to form a roux. Okay, it's starting to get a little bubbly and come together, so I'm going to slowly add my liquid ingredients. You want to stir the whole time. Moving on to our next liquid. Now that it's reaching a boil, it's starting to thicken more. You want to like it pretty thick. Okay, so we got into the point where it's thickened and very easily coats the back of a spoon, so it's time to add our cheese. Best part. No cheese left behind. You want to stir until it's all melted. Add a little pepper and some salt to taste. You get one more mix and then you're all done. Voila! Our pretzel is done and I think it looks great. And our beer cheese looks pretty tasty if I must say so myself. I know about you, but sometimes when I'm playing board game I don't really feel like having a cookie. I'd rather have some pretzels and cheese. So this is perfect for those times. I found 2 olives in my fridge that I put in the eyes. So this way the eyes pop a little bit more. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. Please like, comment, subscribe below. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. I guess it's time to try one. Nice and covered in cheese. Wow, it's hard to just take one bite of that. Bye.
That's right, Cthulhu. You stay down there. This beer cheese is all mine.